All right, guys, here I am. I'm in St. George, Utah, visiting my brother, his wife and family, and one of his daughters comes home and tells me while I'm eating breakfast, hey, there's a little car show down there at the local supermarket. So I had to come check it out. I figure I'll bring you guys along for the little car show. Several cars here. We'll get to take a look, and I'll show you what we got up here. St. George, Utah. Okay? See, the background is beautiful. Mountains in the background. It's right here in a little parking lot. Digsby's Market. We don't have these in Texas, so we'll kind of show you what we got. There's probably, I don't know, 25, 30 cars here, so we'll walk around and you'll get to see them just like me. Here's an old convertible Mustang. Thing's beautiful. Red lines on it, 289. Red interior. Check this thing out. A little automatic. AC. Really sweet. Man, that thing is nice. Look there. Old Fancy Nancy. You know me, I'm a Mustang guy anyway, so. 66 Mustang. And then here's my kind of car right here. Look at this thing. Grand Monaco. Vintage cars. Inside of it's probably all original. Big old Mopar. Hideaway front end. Hideaway headlights. There we are, boys. 57. Two-door hardtop. Look at that thing. That's beautiful. How you doing? Beautiful cars. Old American racing wheels on the old Bel Air. Hot rod. Look at that thing. Porsche. Old double hump heads. They might be repops, but sure looks good. Very nice. Porsche 948. Right here in Utah. Mercedes 3 Series 380 XL. Beautiful cars.
I saw the like legal burnout, lease event that's going on. So anyways, it's just fun to let you know.
Fanta.
Yeah, everything's safe.
I don't know who makes those, but it's really clean. He's polishing that thing. All right, boys, you Mopar boys, check this out. Here it is. AAR CUDA 346 pack. Man, that thing is sweet. Mac is a 4-speed car. Parked next to a 56 Bel Air, yellow and white. Jerry Hamilton, you like that, I know. That's real American muscle right there, boys. A 56 parked next to an AAR CUDA. Check out the inside of that thing. Both cars beautiful. Old 56, yellow and white, beautiful car. Here we are next to a 48 Ford convertible. Beautiful cars.
The gym's on board and the chiropractor's on board and the high school's on board. So the high school, everything.
Wow, y'all stand by. Oh, Ford pickup. Check that out. Look like a GM column. Shift on the column. Attack in it. Got a little haul box built in it. Parked next to a couple nice Jeeps. Four-wheeling is real big up here in Utah. I mean, look at those mountains over there.
Must be tip-off time.
The bunch. All right, boys. You truck guys, check this thing out. Little S10, customized. Very nice. Celine Mustang leaving. I didn't get here. It's about 10 something. Everybody's getting ready for football Saturday. Man, look at that thing. Toyota Supra GR 2000 Supra. Little two-door. I like that. Big fat guy like me have a hard time riding it, but I like it. All right, Mustang boys, here we go. Check this out. Got him some strange axles. Disc brakes all the way around. That thing is sweet. Cobra Mustang. Parked next to this thing. Check that out. Stick car.
Yeah, that's a sweet car. I kicked myself.
Us Ford guys, we know. It's got 7,000 red line in this thing. See what it's got on the hood. Oh yeah, small block, air gap.
Yeah, right. Well, that guy, he had it.
302 HO. Very nice Mustang. I'll go around and get us a picture of the front end. Pantera, boys. Pantera, I don't know how many of you know, but car guys know, but the motor's in the back. A lot of them are Cleveland. Look through the back glass, you can see the air breathers sticking up. Beautiful car. 5-speed, race seats, got race straps in it. Parked next to a Cobra Mustang. Can't beat that. Until you look what's parked next to it here. Fastback. Beautiful car. Looks like this thing's fully restored. Look at the inside the trunk. Got the sticker on it. A lot of these guys are members of the Desert Hot Rodders Car Club. That thing is nice. Very nice. Automatic. You got the interior on that. AC.
But I wonder if they gave him something.
Beautiful.
He bought that new 49. Just 2 years.
Cobra Mustang. Old school Pantera. Old school fastback. Beautiful cars. Last one in the line. Look at this old C10. paint is flawless. Kind of a, I don't know, dove gray. It's not really battleship gray, it may be, but it is really slick. Matching interior, matching 5-speed stick in the floor. That's the way they should be made. Very, very nice. Leather custom seat, headliner. Look at the bed. Sorry for the sun, it's awful bright. Feels good here this morning. It was in the 60s. Very nice. Still no humidity up here in South Utah, St. George. Very nice truck. Let's go look at these other ones we got over here. Square body, boys, check that out. Flat black, square body, LEDs in the front. Look at that thing. Boy, that is sweet. Lance Laura, check that out. I know you'll like her. That's a nice truck. Beautiful truck. C10. They don't have the hood up, but it says LS swap, so I'm assuming. Beautiful car. It's parked right next to this thing. Look at that. Look at that. Man, ain't nothing like them old whale tails on these things. What I call whale tails. I don't know what you call them, but flawless cars. Nothing substandard up here at this car show, boys. Beautiful cars. Got a few more to take a look at. Ford Deluxe. Suicide doors. V8 badging on it. Really slick. Beautiful. Ford V8. Parked next to an old Ford pickup. Check this thing out. Looks like a light, medium green and white. Got some custom graphics on the cab. Beautiful truck. Beautiful cars here in St. George, Utah. Y'all stand by. We'll wrap this thing up. All right, guys, I missed one. Had my back turned. Somebody done snuck in. Check this thing out. I don't know. This looks like 55, 56. Convertible. Got the hood up. This thing is spotless. Small block Chevrolet. AC. Power brakes. Power steering. Dual horns at the front. Look at that. Man. Beautiful car. Y'all stand by for the next clip. Check this thing out. Man, look at the interior on this. Red and white. Bel Air. Beautiful car. Got California plates on it. I'm not sure this guy's from California. Maybe. My rental car's got California plates, but I picked it up in Vegas. But once again, this is St. George, Utah. We're here at the Digsby's Market, right here on the corner. My brother lives up there on the hill in one of the big houses. We're out here celebrating a little 60th birthday party for my brother. One of his daughters came over and said, "Hey, we know you're a car guy. Down the street, just car show, so guess where I'm at? I'll be over there with the brother watching Longhorns tonight." Anyway, we'll wrap this thing up. We're here in St. George, Utah, at a car show. Nothing like it. Thank you guys for watching. Give me a like and subscribe. Y'all have a blessed day.